Hi folks, Review Filler here. So would you believe me if I told you not everyone wants to see 19th century Dutch post-impressionist paintings? I know it sounds crazy, doesn't it? And if you don't want to be greeted by the world's best artwork during signal loss on your LG OLED, then you'll need to access a hidden menu to turn it off. And it's super easy to do, so this is just a very quick video in case you didn't already know how to do it. I've tried this out on the LG C1 and C2 and it should work on any other LG OLED too. On your LG remote control, press the mute button rapidly 3 times, and this hidden menu will pop up with various information and options. Shake the remote control to get the pointer to show up and go down to the last option, no signal image. Turning this off will give you the standard black screen, no signal image if you prefer it, and turning it back on will give you those beautiful gallery images again. Like I say, just a quick one today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I very much hope to see you soon.